also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin na makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangarap ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay Direk. Promise. Legit. Yes. Alam ko na mag-grow ako pag naging medyo-jowain ko.
Max, may mag-grow ako.
May mag-grow?
Alaman.
Ano yun? Alaman ka pala.
Marami din ako matututunan sa kanya.
Uy,
Jojowain.
sa true yan. Sa true yan.
Kayo? And Alexa, grabe.
Thank you.
Hello, Alexa. Hi.
Ano naman Alexa, tanong ko lang, parang before this media ko, napanood namin yung interview mo sa TV Patrol about isa to sa mga mga medyo mature roles because you have your kissing scene with with
talaga?
JC De
Meron?
Vera, di ba?
Oh.
Ay,
JC Alcantara.
JC Alcantara, sorry. Yeah. So, siguro kay JC saka kay Alexa. Kumbaga, how was it? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ba mag-usap na dalawa? How do you prepare for that scene? Gaano ka-intimate yung inyong mga kissing scene dito, di ba?
JC, how was it? And ako po, honestly, it was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment because I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Direk, talagang kinausap po niya kami. He would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Direk. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step. Everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene, it was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
Ang dami nagre-react sa likod.
so sabi ko nga, okay, this is parang ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat-lahat dito sa Misbehave. So go, gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect din na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner. Very hands-on din siya. Very maalaga. So, I feel like it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Yes, I was so out of it. Ikaw sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Iyan na nga, siguro follow-up lang kay JC. JC, kumbaga, hindi lang siguro si Alexa yung lucky kasi you're lucky kasi ikaw yung
Sobrang
first
swerte ko po.
kissing scene niya
Sobrang
sa on-screen, di ba? So, how was it? Sabi niya nga, it was good. Ikaw naman, how do you describe the kissing scene with Alexa?
Si Alexa kasi, first scene ko, kissing scene agad.
Like taping?
Yes, taping ko agad nun. First day ko taping, yes. Kasi before po, ako talaga si Warren dito. Share ko lang din po. Okay lang po ba?
Ay, nasabi mo na eh.
Nasabi ko
Okay.
naman, ako si Warren dito. Nag-prepare ako for Warren for almost 2 months. And then after nun, kinabukasan, JC, ikaw na si Cole. Wait, ano ba ito po? And then after nun, taping ko na agad. So kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam gagawin. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare sa role na yon. Pero buti na lang, ginaid ako ni Direk. And also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin na makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangarap ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay Direk. Promise. Legit. Yes. And then yun, first kissing scene namin, ready ako, sobrang ready ko. Tapos si Alexa, kinakabahan. Sabi ko, okay lang yan, don't worry. Gagabayan kita.
Wow.
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Expert!
Ganitong gagawin natin. Dadahan-dahanin ko lang ako. Ako nang bahala. And then after nung taping na, okay, go, kiss. Pag kiss niya ganun, oh my God, mas...
Okay na.
Ang lala, like, hindi first time. Sorry. hindi, I mean, sobrang,
Stop na po!
in a good way. In a good way. Sobrang professional ni...
No, kasi yung mga ganong eksena, you want it done on the first take.
Yes.
Para wala na ang paulit-ulit, di ba? Unless
Wala na.
Di ba?
So-
No, kasi ang sabi mo kasi first kissing scene
First
eh.
kissing
So may
scene.
second kissing scene?
Meron po.
Okay.
Pero
Oh,
sobrang
give it away na,
professional
Derek.
niya. Nagustuhan ko yung pagka-strong niya ni Alexa. Nakita ko kung paano siya kapalaban. Na gusto niyang gawin para dun sa role na yon. Na gusto niya panindigan, hindi. Kailangan kong gawin to para kay Marla. And sobrang committed niya sa role niya. Kaya sobrang wow.
It just really shows yung professionalism
Professional talaga.
ni Alexa.